For years, photonics occupied a supporting role in technology roadmaps, important for displays, sensing, and imaging, but viewed primarily as a component layer rather than strategic infrastructure. That positioning has fundamentally changed. Photonics has crossed a strategic threshold and is rapidly becoming foundational infrastructure for AI-driven systems, autonomous platforms, spatial computing, defense electronics, and advanced semiconductor manufacturing. The reason modern systems rely not only on compute power, but also on the quality of the data they process. In many AI and autonomous applications, high-quality optical data is a critical factor for accurate perception and reliable decision-making. The fidelity and reliability of optical inputs such as cameras, LiDAR, and integrated photonics can strongly influence AI performance. Consequently, photonics is becoming not just an enabler, but a key differentiator for high-performing systems in autonomy, XR, and advanced technologies. Take Apple's Vision Pro, for example. Its performance relies on multiple cameras and sensors working together, stereo cameras, depth sensors, and motion tracking to create a seamless spatial computing experience. Optical data quality and sensor fusion are critical to its precision and responsiveness. The same logic applies in autonomy. Waymo has repeatedly emphasized that safe autonomy depends on rich, redundant sensing. AI models trained on poor or inconsistent optical data simply cannot generalize safely at scale. Performance gains are meaningless if photonic components cannot be produced consistently, optical data cannot be measured accurately, and results cannot be correlated across manufacturing and lifecycle stages. The consolidation wave sweeping photonics is not driven by hype. It is driven by a recognition that optical systems now sit directly in the AI value chain. Better sensing optics mean cleaner data. Cleaner data means more accurate AI. More accurate AI means safer autonomy, more compelling XR, higher yield manufacturing, and more reliable infrastructure. Scaling photonics requires more than innovation. It requires precise manufacturing data intelligence and the ability to mine billions of data points to trace defects and drive corrective action. yieldWerx helps teams transform complex optical test data into manufacturing intelligence across the entire production lifecycle. Visit yieldWerx.com to learn how we're helping photonics companies scale.